Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what's in store for you for the last 15 days of April. And as these are general readings, won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Leos for the last 15 days of April. What's there for Leos? Messages for Leos for the last 15 days. Messages for Leos for the last 15 days of April. So we have the Five of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, okay, the Six of Wands, the Eight of Swords, the Devil, okay, the Knight of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Five of Swords. So Leos, what I feel here is that there is some sort of a confusion or some sort of a conflict in your mind or in your life. Okay, either you are trying to convince the other person, or you are trying to they are trying to convince you, or it is just in your own head. So there is some sort of a conflict and a confusion going on inside or outside in your life, and you are, or one more thing which I want to say is that whatever this fight is about, whatever this conflict is about, to me it seems to be exterior. For most of you it seems to be exterior, but then yes, it does has an impact on your psyche and your mind also. But whatever it is, what I feel is you will be able to win this. Okay, so you are definitely coming out, you are emerging victorious in this conflict or the battle, or the it doesn't seem to be a battle, it doesn't seem to be that huge though, but yes, it will be different obviously for different people. So what I feel is there has been a conflict or a fight in which you are emerging victorious. Okay, you are successful, you have won the laurels in it, you have come out of it successfully. But what I feel here is, and if it is in your own head, then maybe whatever you've thought upon, you have successfully completed it. Okay, you're done with it. It's that, okay, and now I have achieved it. Or maybe you have been victorious in something, or you're feeling happy over something after completing something difficult. It can be that also. But whatever it is, there is some sort of a conflict or some sort of a fight which is going on, which has been there, and now you've successfully completed it or handled it, and you are feeling happy about it, and you're victorious here. Okay, but with the Eight of Swords, the Devil, and the Knight of Pentacles, what I feel here is it has definitely had an impact on your mind. Okay, though you've been successful in achieving it, you've won it. Basically, whatever this fight was, you have won it. But the thing is, it has really had a great impact on your psyche. Okay, you are now, it's holding you back from moving further in your life. The impact which it has had is not a positive one. So whatever this was, or maybe somehow this has landed you up in a situation which is not that pleasant, I would say that. Somehow there is a situation over here which is holding you back from progressing forward or moving forward. Okay, so what I feel is with the Knight of Pentacles being there, there is something which is holding you back in moving towards, if it is a relationship, since we have lovers over here. Definitely there is a pattern or addiction, there is something negative attached to this situation, and it is really tying you back. Maybe it is the fear itself with the Devil being there. This situation has landed you up in a, for the fear of moving forward, perhaps, as simple as that. With the Eight of Swords, the Devil, and the Knight of Pentacles, that even it is hampering your progress, it is hampering your movement towards something positive or somebody new, if it is a relationship. So it is a fear of moving forward, perhaps. That is what the impact it has had on your psyche. So even if you have won this at some point in time, but now the impact is that there is a fear of stepping forward. It is a fear of moving ahead in your life. That's what I feel. Something is definitely holding you back. With the Seven of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Five of Swords, that's what I feel. It's there is a fear of something is holding you back. There is a fear, and because of this fear, what is happening is there are arguments, there are fights in this relationship, and so definitely there is something negative which is happening in this relationship because of some sort of a fear which is holding you back, and that fear seems to be connected to something you've dealt in the past. Okay, even if you were happy at that time, maybe you were happy at that time, but the impact it has had is not a very positive one. So I don't know how it will resonate with you all, but definitely you are not able to move ahead in your life, or I should say you're not able to have a balanced relationship now in your life. For some reason this has had on your life, the impact which this Five of Wands had on your life, even if your victory was, it can be a transient victory, at that it was a momentary thing, perhaps you were happy, okay, now I have won, I have successfully completed it, I've got what I wanted. I don't know what it was, but then the impact it is having is that it is something you are not able to move in towards any positive relationship, or you're not able to be fully in a relationship, perhaps because of this fear. Something keeps on happening that the relationship which you now move forward to, if you do, first of all there's a fear of moving forward towards any relationship, and if even if you're able to do, something really happens that which spoils it, sort of, because of the fear. That's what I feel. Let's see what is the message from this deck. The Six of Spades. So definitely you are choosing peace. You are trying to move towards peace over here, leaving behind whatever is troubling you. You are trying, but maybe it will take some time. The guidance from the angels. Six of Thought. Peaceful times are on the horizon. The storms have passed, and now you can see that your destination is within sight. The stress in your life will begin to fade away, allowing for the happier times. It may be necessary to take a journey over water or to another country. So maybe some sort of a healing definitely is called for in this situation, so that you are able to focus on the positives, or able to let go of what is holding you back. The fear of the impact of whatever has happened in the past is, I think, inhibiting your present relationships, or it is affecting your present relationship. That's all. That's how I think it should be put as. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.